I want to make something clear. Life's just not what I thought it would be. A straight line. Everything we face in our life happens for a reason. To either hold you back or drive you forward. In all reality, you're not the only one facing a battle within yourself. Day by day, you have to get through it. You are going to work your ass off. Fight through it. When you feel like quitting, remember there's no second chances. You get to make the choice. So don't back down, not even a little bit. Because when those times get tough, and I mean brutally tough, you need to ask yourself, why did you start in the first place? When you ask yourself that, then you remember exactly why you started. To make this world a better place, to make your life a better overall, internally and externally. Dreams will start happening. When you feel like quitting, breathe, focus, then commit, and the rest is history. You have a destiny that needs to be fulfilled. Be someone else's reason for getting up. Stay zeroed in. Don't give up.